characters are the seagulls. A seagull is not eating fish today. The shellfish is broke. Then finally the eagle eat. I like the way you use the characters' names. You need to practice on the problem and the solution. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome.
They know what to expect. They know what to go back, how to go back to their seat, follow their steps. And because we've been doing this all year with success criteria for mainly everything, this in particular, the retelling rope, they know exactly, how to do it and what to do. We don't really want them to give the answer, so that was one of the things that we really focused on during these lessons. We wanted them to teach their partner and help their partner, but not give the answer. So by using the storytelling rope, if on the inside of the folder there were ways that they could show their partner how to do certain things. So like if they didn't know the setting, they're inside of the folder, they could refer back to explaining what a setting is. So that was like the how that we really wanted them to be able to get.